In this video, I will be showing you how to generate a cinematic AI video using Perplexity AI. I'll start by clicking into the search bar at the center of the screen to enter my prompt. I'm typing in a request for an 8-second cinematic drone shot of a futuristic neon-lit city in the rain, featuring flying vehicles and high-end sci-fi visuals. Once I have the prompt exactly how I want it, I'll click the send button on the right to start the process. Now, I'll wait as Perplexity begins drafting a concise description for the aerial shot. You can see the progress indicators as it moves through the stages of drafting the cinematic drone concept and then rendering the video itself. This part of the process takes a little bit of time because the AI is working to create complex atmospheric details like the rain effects and the glowing neon lights. I'll just stay patient while the system processes the visuals and brings the sci-fi scene to life. It's really helpful to see these step-by-step updates so I know exactly what the AI is focusing on. After the generation is finished, the completed video appears right in my chat window. To get a closer look at the results, I'll click on the play button to open the video in full screen mode. The movement of the flying vehicles and the reflections in the rain look incredible and match my prompt perfectly. Once I'm happy with the preview, I can simply exit the full screen view and I'm all set. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.